Introduction. Hello and welcome to this video on how to develop strong research questions. Research questions are the foundation of any successful research project, and crafting a well-defined research question is crucial for the success of your study. In this video, we will discuss the key elements of strong research questions and provide tips on how to develop them. Body. 1. Start with a broad topic. Begin by identifying a broad topic that you are interested in. This can be anything from a general area of study to a specific research problem. For example, if you are interested in the field of psychology, you might start with the topic of mental health. 2. Narrow down the topic. Once you have a broad topic in mind, the next step is to narrow it down into a specific research question. This is where you need to focus on your area of interest and refine your question to be specific enough to answer through research. 3. Define your variables. Before you can develop a research question, you need to identify the variables that you will be studying. Variables are the factors that you are going to measure and analyze in your research. For example, if your research question is related to mental health, your variables might include depression, anxiety, and stress. 4. Make your research question clear and concise. Once you have identified your variables, you need to create a clear and concise research question. Your question should be specific enough to provide direction for your research and broad enough to allow for exploration of the topic. Your research question should be able to answer the what, why, and how of your topic. 5. Use appropriate language and terminology. Using appropriate language and terminology is crucial for developing strong research questions. Your question should use clear and concise language that is appropriate for your audience. Avoid using jargon or technical language that might be confusing to your audience. 6. Consider feasibility and ethical implications. Finally, when developing your research question, it is important to consider the feasibility of your study and any ethical implications that may arise. You need to ensure that your research question is realistic and can be answered through research. Additionally, you need to ensure that your research is conducted in an ethical manner and does not harm or exploit any participants. Conclusion. In conclusion, developing strong research questions is a critical step in any research project. By following these steps, you can create research questions that are clear, concise, and answerable. Remember to start with a broad topic, narrow it down to a specific research question, define your variables, use appropriate language, consider feasibility and ethical implications, and refine your question until it is clear and concise. With these tips in mind, you'll be well on your way to developing strong research questions for your next project.